So this application will allow you to order from your point of sale, use your point of sale even when there is no internet connection. And you can save your unsaved orders and then upload your unsaved orders back when you have the connection. So let's see how this works. So first we will go to point of sale. I will open my shop. I will continue selling and I will go offline. You can see now I'm offline. I do not have any internet connection as of now to run my point of sale. So let's see how this works. First of all, let's create an order. Let's say I'm adding these few products. I will add the customer as well, and I will go ahead and make the payment. I will add a bank, let's say, and I will validate this. As soon as you validate this order, you can see an error over here that says that your order is not synced. Check your internet connection. But that's fine. We can okay with this and we can move forward. Let's say I again add a few products and create one more order, and I'll make the payment for the same as well, and I'll do that. Now as soon as you're trying to create orders, you can see a new sign over here that says download. So if I click on that, it will allow you to download your unsaved orders or delete your unsaved orders. So let's say I'm downloading my unsaved orders, and here you can see a JSON file will be downloaded. Now let's close this. Now we are back online. So let's go to orders, restore backup, new menu, and we will upload the JSON file. So if I click on that, it allows me to upload the file of the unsaved orders, which I will choose. And then I have two options over here. Either I can import the data or I can import the data and create the order. So let's see how this works. So if I just import the data, I can go back here and I go to restored orders data. And here you can see I have 3 orders imported. So if I click on any one of them, I have here 2 options of either to cancel this or create a new order. Now these data has been just imported under the restored order data. Order has not been created for them. So you have to create the order by going to your imported data. Once you click on create order, it will create a new order for you. Apart from this, you have another option. Let's say I upload the file again. Now this time, if I choose the import data and create the order, then it will also import the data and create a new order for you as well. So let's do that as well. I'll just delete this so there is no duplicate data. So I will go to the option again and I will upload the file, and I will this time import data and create the order. So as soon as I do that, I'll go to my orders. Here you can see my all the orders have been imported and they have also been created, turned into an order as well. So here is one of the order. You can see it has been paid. Now similarly, if you also want to delete your unsaved orders, you can do so as well. So if I go to continue selling, this time I'll create a few orders. Okay, let's say I'll go offline first. Now let me create an order. I add the customer, I go to the payment, make the payment, validate this. It will give me the error, new order. Now let's say I can also delete the unsaved orders. So I will delete that. This will remove the locally stored unsaved orders. Okay. Now let's go back and I'll be online. Okay, let's go to orders now. And here you can see I do not have anything to back up. I cannot even upload any file because no file was generated for me to upload or import because I deleted the orders. So this is how the application works. If you have any questions, please leave your question in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.